Welcome back, everyone. Sorry I haven't been on. My shoulder's really been painful to the point where I'm not coping very well with it, but the guys that have been messaging me, this is the fail where you can see I've pulled the tape off too soon, being impatient. I've missed marking this spot, so I actually left this so I can show you in real time. If you pull it off perpendicular to your job, as in such, it's no problems. If you try to pull it sideways like this, it's dry now, but you see that little bit of tearing down here? That's because I didn't do it perpendicular. You watch when I do it perpendicular to the job. Comes up beautiful. Absolutely nice. Now, this has only cost me in materials for this path that goes right back to there, probably about $85. I think it looks remarkable. The concrete was very rough, and as you can see, there's a crack there, but when you stand here you don't see that crack. So when you're taping up, you tape up around all your pavers, around your rock wall so you don't get paint there, around there, and I've still got all the way down there to do. I'd like to continue. I think I'll be off work for about 3 months. So I'm a builder. I was going to transition out of building, which I am now definitely, and then so I've got commitments starting the 13th of January. I'll then be subbing out some of my jobs and trying to rest. I've got a doctor's appointment on Monday. I'll know whether I need an operation or not. So I'll just show you. I'm going to do this little section up here. I'll do this little section stopping towards my workshop area. This is one of my hobbies. It's a track car, WRX. It's up for sale for $18,500. This is my old Ford XC. Had it a long time. Probably one of the most solid Ford XCs you'll ever find. It's got Simmons wheels on it. Worst part of the car is probably the roof. But quite honestly, if my shoulder was alright, I'd buzz that off in half an hour and deoxidine it, put some edge primer on it, that'd be fine. My plan was just to fix things and leave the patina on the car. While I'm doing a walk around, I might as well show you, this is my dirt bike that I fell off on. Not a very good shot, there you go. So that's a 2023 WR450, fully legal, street registered. Have started applying a sticker kit, but again, my shoulder's buggered, so I might do a content video on that. So I've put a sticker kit on the front mudguard and on the headlight so far, and a little sticker there under the tank, but it's going to look really nice when it's finished. This is a trailer I built myself at home. I'm self-taught at welding, so it's aluminium frame, primed and painted all round. I had a sheet metal guy fold up all the aluminium checker plate, popped it in myself. Look, the welds aren't fantastic. Those of you who know how to weld, that looks like chook shit. But what you got to remember is a weld, a good penetrating weld of 1/2 inch will hold 500 kilos. So that's 1 inch long. That's going to hold. Yeah, put new wheels on it. Mud flaps. This is some curb channel I bought from Bunnings. So they're normally $100 and something each. I had them on special, $20 each. So I grabbed 4 of those. I did plan on hiring a bobcat today, but I unfortunately had to cancel with my shoulder. I'm just in excruciating pain. So I will try to make content. I know there's a lot of guys interested. I'm quite enjoying it, trying to share my knowledge. I'll just show you my wife's veggie patch. You would have seen the cooking video the other night. A lot of the stuff comes out of the garden. She does a ripper job. And again, that was her first go at using a camera. And I thought, like everything we've put on so far has been first take. No rehearsals. I have written notes to myself, but I've got a photographic memory. So these garden beds, I planned on staining Merbau. Obviously with my shoulder the way it is, it's not going to happen. Yeah, we've got artificial lawn down. She's got beautiful flowers. You walk over into our pool area. This is where we sort of casually sit in the afternoon if we're going to have a swim or get out of the sun to make a better shot. Again, I'm new to this. I don't know. This is the 5th or 6th content video, so I'll try to hide the sun. That's no good. This is our swimming pool. I've been trying to do 25 laps of breaststroke every day while cupping my hands, as you would have seen in the other video. It's got a nice water feature. Again, you can't see because of the sun, but basically water comes down the rocks and goes back in the pool. The pool's filthy. I can't skim it myself, so I've ordered the pool guy to come in and do that for me. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. My neighbour's putting up a huge shed, which I actually like because it's going to give us, when the panels are on, it's going to give us shade. So that's my next door neighbour's big workshop. I think it's, I don't know, it's bloody huge. He's into cars. He's got a Mustang he's doing up, like a really nice Mustang going over the top. But yeah, so he bought this. This block was part of that house there. The guy that owned that subdivided it and got a title on this block. I was looking at buying it. It was the right sort of money. Glenn, my neighbour, got in first, and anyway, so he's added this title to his existing house, which means you only pay one set of rates, one set of, you know, water, sewage and so forth. So this is his big shed. I'd say it's probably 4 cars, maybe 6. And this slab on this side is for his wife's Malaysian street food van. So it'll be pretty handy. He's got, that's his house there, where one of the windows he wants me to pull out, put a deck and a sliding door so he can come straight out into his workshop. So yeah, boys and their toys. I'm no different. I've just purchased a Yamaha YXZ 1000R SST. Should get that in the next month. Took my wife today to Ford. We looked at brand new Mustangs. I sold hers last year, which I shouldn't have done. It was a nice grabber blue Mustang. It's not the right car for us at the right time now, so we're probably going to look at something like a Kia Stonic GT line. They're 30 grand. Anyway, look, thanks again. If you like, press like, subscribe. I'm not doing this for money. I'm just sharing my lifestyle. I'm living life to the max. So even though I fell off the bike and I've stuffed my shoulder, I was riding my bike, so I was enjoying life. If I would have died that day, I was doing what I enjoy. The good thing to come out of the shoulder, if there's any positives, is that it's in a sling most of the time now, using my left hand, so I'm becoming ambidextrous. I still cook with my left hand. I still try to do things with my left hand, but yeah, it's a lot of pain. I'm not taking any medications. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will try to add content. Put suggestions in the comments. I'm happy to, you know, if I can do it and it needs doing around the house, I'll try. But like I said, I'm one-armed. One last shot at that path. I think it looks fantastic. You know, for $80, took me about 8 hours. I will do another video on how I'll fix it. So these tear marks, it's no big foul. Basically, the loose stuff like this, I'll just cut off with a Stanley blade where it's solid. So it's solid to there. Cut it off there, retape it, paint that in. And where I've missed the lines here, I'll tape where they should be, where my finger is. I'll grind that out with a grinder. Put some tape down there and then just paint that with a brush and you'll never know. So there's only a couple of boo-boos, and look, I've got 35 years experience. I still make boo-boos. You're probably going to make them too. So it's actually a good thing it's happened, because look at this, that should be grey. So the fact that I've made the boo-boo is actually good for content for you guys. But have a look at that. That looks $1 million. Like I said, 85 bucks. If I tiled this one section, it'd cost, I'm a tile, it'd cost me $2,500. So, all right, hope you enjoyed. Talk soon. Leave any suggestions in the comments. I am enjoying this, but as I said in the cooking video, I'm in extreme pain right now. So thanks again. Eat healthy, stay safe, live every day like it's your last. Thank you.